In this lecture, we're going to look at different models of compact housing, those that provide choice and diversity, and that meet our needs as developers and architects to try and achieve density, but do it in a way that gains neighborhood and community acceptance. In a previous lecture, we will have discussed some of the issues around density, the term, its meaning, how people react to it, some strategies for approaching neighbors and citizen groups. And in this show, we're going to look more at the kind of models, case studies, that show how other developers around the nation have achieved their goals for density and done it using good design and site planning. So we begin with compact housing, providing choice and diversity as the theme. One of the things that we'll see as we go through the show is that there are really 6 different kinds of housing typologies that we're using in order to think about strategies for achieving density. For the compact housing models we'll be talking about today, compact single-family detached examples range from 7 to 21 units per acre, single-family with a secondary unit, 17 to 24 units per acre, multiple units, those that look single-family but are multiple, the range is 8 to 22 units per acre, row houses range from 10 to 40 units an acre, multifamily walk-up flats and apartments, 16 to 51 units an acre, and multifamily elevator apartments, 21 to 236 units per acre. One of the things you'll notice about these 6 different typologies is a substantial overlap. And it suggests that there's no one right solution in certain density ranges, and that's a decision that's made by collaborating with the neighbors, planning departments, funders, and others who may work with you in order to determine what the best fit or misfit is between the particular typology and your density goals. So in beginning the case studies, I think it's important to recognize that in many American cities, even medium or small size, an entire range of those 6 typologies can be found. And the goal here, as we said, is to achieve density by winning support through good design. So as we go through the show, what we have to keep in mind as the ultimate way in which many of these decisions made is a very public way. Here we see a group of neighbors evaluating an alternative site plan. Many hours of preparation went into this with the architect-developer team, deciding how to present the information to the neighbors and what kind of choices and decisions to allow them to make, as opposed to the parameters that they in turn determined going into the project.